Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Gus and Karla here with KGC Realty Group. We are your local Dallas real estate agents. We help many clients, families relocate, buy, sell, and invest here in the Dallas area. So today we're actually in the city of Valley View, Texas. And if you don't know where Valley View is, we are just around 30 minutes north of Denton.
Hey guys, so we are shooting McClintock homes today, which is a different price point than we normally shoot. But these prices are starting 320s to 420. So this is a very affordable home.
Yeah.
There are lots available, so this is a great opportunity. And we've been getting tons of calls from clients that are trying to relocate to the area. And you know, a lot of them don't have that 500 plus budget.
Yeah.
So that are most of the homes that we shoot. So this is a great opportunity if you're trying to relocate and just get started here in Texas. Great, amazing opportunity to lock yourself in at a great rate. I mean, the square footage on these range from 1,600 to 2,800.
Yeah.
So it's still an amazing, you know, you're gonna get tons of space for the money and the price point you just can't beat.
And if you guys want more information about the floor plans and the prices for each floor plan, don't hesitate to reach out. You can text, you can call us. Our number is going to be right up here. So don't hesitate to give us a call. And like always, guys, please make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet and hit that notification bell so you can get notified of all the videos that come up each and every week. And we would love to hear from you. So make sure to go ahead and leave us a comment. So tell us about what you think about this floor plan, think about the community, and we would love to hear from you.
So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, thank you for supporting our channel. And if you do have any questions, please make sure to reach out to us. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. It really just helps us put more information out there for you guys. Yeah. And you also want to be notified each and every single time we drop a new video, because here's the thing, houses are going fast.
They're going really fast.
So if you are notified, then you're getting our most current up-to-date videos, and you never know, there could be the perfect lot, the perfect house that just came on the market available, and you don't want to miss it. So make sure you do that.
All right, guys, so appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.